Dive into the world of SQL, or structured query language, and its importance in the data-driven era for effective data analysis. Here are famous SQL commands you need to know for data analysis. Learn the basics of SQL with select and from commands, which define the columns and source tables for precise data extraction. Discover distinct, used for extracting unique values, where clause for refining queries, and a wildcard for matching string patterns. Explore order by clause for arranging query results, as keyword for providing temporary aliases, and case when, else, and then a structure for conditional logic. Uncover group by for grouping identical data and aggregate functions for summarizing group attributes. Understand the concept of joins in relational databases, the distinction between primary and foreign keys, and their role as identifiers. Wrap up with a union, merging results from multiple select statements, and important considerations regarding data type consistency.